When I tell anybody I'm majoring in history, their first response is, oh, you're going to be a history teacher. And I try to explain to people that there are so many other options other than being a history teacher. And I wanted originally to be a researcher, but then professors started telling me that there were these internships that the school had to offer, and there were internships that they could help me find. I realized that there was a lot of other options that I could have. My biggest standout experience is working at the Nabb Center. It was a really good opportunity. We do a lot of accessioning and cataloging of the items that we receive from the community in Delmarva. So we get a lot of local history, and we just go over that and do some research on it and make sure we can store it properly and put everything that we need to away up at the Nabb Center. For me, I find museum work and working with artifacts to be important because it's such a physical representation of history. It makes history tangible, and I think it's just really important to keep that sort of intact with the community and with the public and just give those people the opportunity to see how it was and what they used. I think the biggest impact is that it's giving me variety. I think I've gotten a lot of experience, and it's allowed me to be able to tell a future employer or a future program that I have done this because of all of the work that I've done at the Nabb Center. When I was looking at schools, I had a hard time picking one because of the size, and I knew if I picked a larger school that I wasn't going to get that relationship with my professors or with the faculty in general. And in history, it's important to have that communication, and I knew if I came to Salisbury that I would have the opportunity to make relationships with my professors, which would make the experience better and my research not easier, but easier to digest because I had that aid and I knew I could go talk to somebody if I was having a hard time. So that was the main reason I chose this program, just because of the size, and I knew that I was going to have access to better resources and a better relationship with my teachers.